Want to create a winning digital marketing strategy for your business? The importance of a solid digital marketing strategy cannot be overstated. It's your ticket to increased visibility, customer engagement, and sales. Stay tuned to learn how to create a winning digital marketing strategy for your business. The first step in creating a winning digital marketing strategy is understanding your audience. It's vital to comprehend their needs, wants, and preferences. These insights guide your marketing efforts, tailoring them to resonate effectively. Knowing your audience is the foundation of a successful digital marketing strategy. Once you understand your audience, it's time to set clear objectives. Consider this: what are the key performance indicators for your business? Establish concrete, measurable goals. They'll guide your strategy, helping track progress and success. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Now that you have your objectives, it's time to choose the right digital marketing channels. From social media to email marketing and SEO, each offers unique advantages. The key is aligning your choices with your audience and objectives. Choosing the right digital marketing channels is crucial for reaching your audience and achieving your objectives. Once you've chosen your digital marketing channels, it's time to implement your strategy. Consistency is key here, as is vigilantly monitoring your results. By doing so, you can adjust your strategy for optimization. Remember, a winning digital marketing strategy is not set in stone. It requires consistent implementation, monitoring, and adjustment. So, are you ready to create a winning digital marketing strategy for your business? We've journeyed through the key steps together, beginning with the all-important understanding of your audience. Remember, knowing who you're talking to is the foundation of any successful marketing strategy. Next, we emphasize the importance of setting clear objectives. Define what success looks like for you, and let this guide your strategy. Then we navigated the landscape of digital marketing channels, helping you to choose the right ones for your business. Lastly, we dived into the essential task of implementing and monitoring your strategy, ensuring you're on target to meet those defined objectives. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a winning digital marketing strategy for your business. Good luck.